Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be exploring Andi, which is a AI search engine and chat assistant. Its website is andisearch.com. It is currently free to use, ad-free, which uses generative AI, and its website also claims it to be a privacy-focused search engine, meaning that they do not share our data with anyone else. So let's say hello to it. Cool. Let's ask another question. What's the time in Las Vegas? It has given us the time in Las Vegas. Now let's ask another question. Say, what is the speed of light? So as you can see on the right hand side of the page, it has populated the answer for us. This is the results panel, and below the article you can see a read button. So if the content is suitable for reading, the read button gives us a secure reader mode view of the content that also protects us from tracking. So if we click on the summarize button, it generates the summary of the content within the same page, which is kinda cool. So let us ask another question. Say, explain how our solar system works. To my 10-year-old brother. So it has given us the results on the results panel on the right hand side. So this is the YouTube video, we can play it if you want. Below it we are having other results. So let's click on explain this time, and now the Andi is generating our explanation. So this explanation is generated by Andi by going through the content within the website. You can think about it as an extension of summarize. So let me show you another option, which is to ask Andi to generate text for us. So if we click on the generate text button on the left hand side, you can see this. It reads through the results. Now it is reading through the results, and what it will do is it will generate the write up for us. So this write up is generated by Andy, which is quite impressive. So we can click on the retry button, so it will generate the write up for us once again. So at the bottom of the write up, it has listed the sources from which it has produced this write up for us, which is again beneficial if you want to verify the content that it has created. We can ask different types of question to Andy. So let's ask how to make pasta. It has given us the results in this format on the right hand side. So we can even change the view if you want. So if I click on change view here, if I click on grid, we will see the results in the grid mode. You can click on it and view the website if you want. Let's go and change the view to list. So this is the search in list format. Now this is icon use style of result. This is classic Google result, and this is the markdown text result. So we'll switch back to the feed which was set as default. Under the refine search option, we can see we are having related searches. If I click on the searches, then it will populate results for that search. So let us try Search, try to search this on Google. So it took us to Google. It has also generated videos and images for us. We can also solve mathematical questions. So let us ask, what is the square root of 4489? It has given us 67 as the answer. If I click on the calculator button, we can calculate it. The next thing that I would like to tell you is that we can navigate straight to websites and apps by just typing out their name rather than searching for them. So what you can say, you can use the go command, and you can provide it the destination. So if I say go YouTube, it opens the YouTube in a new tab, which is kind of cool. If I say go Reddit, so it will open Reddit. This is cool, isn't it? So let's see the settings of Andi. If I click on settings on the left, we can clear our search session and reload our chat with Andi. Nothing has vanished. So let's see another options. We can change the accuracy of the model. You can change it as you want. Also, if you don't want to participate in the analytics, we can disable it. Now another thing that I would like to show you is that we can also use the graph feature within Andy. So let's say if I type out this question, so it gives us the answer. If I click on graphing, it displays the graph window in front of us. We can create the table. Let's say I'm creating a table first. So these are my points 1 comma 2. So as you can see, it has populated the points on the graph on the right hand side. I can even write a expression, say, let me say it is y is equal to mx plus b. So it has generated this line on the graphs through the points that I have plotted. This is quite funny. You can try experimenting with it. You can also write a note if I want, say slope, and I can delete all if I want by clicking on the gear icon. You can share the graph and change the language if we want. We can also export the image. So this will export our image, export our graph as PNG. Then click on download PNG to download. You can also change the size and file format if you want. Let's ask the last question. I am not trying to be a super intelligence or AGI, which is quite a funny response. Searching and asking questions here is private. Oh, which is the most important thing. So this is all about Andy. I'm very much impressed by this search engine. They say that it is still in the experimental phases, but I am very much hopeful that in the coming days this thing will get the recognition that it truly deserves. So you can try it out yourselves. Try experimenting with it. You can refer the help guide to see different commands. So thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.